Hello guys and welcome to unboxmuse with Twinny. Yeah, that's me. Well, usually we do unboxing about the latest technology, but I will give you some reviews, tips and tricks about the latest technology. Before we begin, I want to tell you to stay till the end of the video because I will be doing a giveaway and it's really interesting. It's about Eminem singing in Abu Dhabi. Right. Yeah, stay till the end. Now again, I want to tell you about techcatches.com, where you can find all the latest technology or the most amazing technology in one place. You just find whatever you want. And for example, you have a 8K TV from Samsung, 65-inch, $2,000. Massive discount, isn't it? Yeah, shake it. If you are gamers, I think you will enjoy this news. Well, it's about the PS5. Well, it's official. The name of the PlayStation is PlayStation 5, which is not surprising. Anyway, so yes, if you go to t3.com, we can find the Sony PS5 looks absolutely incredible in new PlayStation 5. I will not say video because I will not show you the video. I'll just show you the pictures. I don't think this is quite a amazing design. It's a gaming console. It's not a I don't know, it's like a TV receiver, like 4K 8K TV receiver. Anyway, I didn't like at all the design. It's a gaming console. It's not. Anyway, just comment down below if you like the design or not. I'm interested in this. Well, it's confirmed from Sony that it's gonna have the custom-made AMD Navy processor that can support for 8K Ultra HD resolution. That's quite amazing. But you should have an 8K, which you can go to TechCatches and buy the 8K Samsung 2000 discount. Yeah. See? Yeah. So this is official. But it is not, the design is not the official design of PS5. Don't be misled by by some websites that say this is the official design. This is not the official design. Which is official? What is official is the 8K resolution and some other specs, which is like AMD processor. The official launch date is gonna be the next year, between December 2020. Let's move on to something personal that happened to me, which I want to share it with you. I want to tell you that anyone on this planet, online or in real life, they tell you that you are a kid, you are not a good person, you don't share something, or you don't I don't know, they tell you something that you are totally not, and you know deep inside that you are not like they say that you are. All right, I'm sure anyone will relate with this story. Do not let this person win, because if you fight with this person, they will not change their mind. All right, you just go on, you just move on. If they say you're a kid, well, let's play it as a kid. I'm a baby. Yes, you are a baby, whatever. I don't care if you think that I'm a baby or not. If I am, I know that I am. If I'm not, I know that I'm not. That is what's important, that I know I am or not. And it's related kind of with Apple. Well, Apple, when they started, iPhone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they didn't really change the design. But people, they say that iPhone didn't change anything. It's the same phone, which are Samsung user, Huawei user, Nokia, or any kind of other than Apple user. Which is logic, they will say this. Which is logic, people, they will say you're a kid or you're someone that you're not. Which is logic. Jealousy, angry, they want something from you they don't have. It's obvious. So take it as positive, take it as very strong. Something that can make you stronger. The next second, after this second, they say this to you. All right? So share with me if you feel the same sometimes. So comment down below if you do. So now, related to Apple, well, Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max is a big move in camera, which is the best camera I have tested. Not tasted, test. Yeah, you got me. Well, my friend, which sent me this picture from the iPhone 11, which you can see it here, full resolution, without the night mode. Alright, you can see some cars, some details, it's quite amazing already. You see some line strap, which is made with long shutter speed. So that's quite amazing. But now with the night mode, ooh, oh, that hurts. Oh, mamma mia. Do you see the building, how amazing the light is reflected on it? You can see the details of the building and these lines, light straps from the cars. It's a handheld pictures, long shutter speed. We had it in P20 Pro, but this one, like a building, all the details from inside an hotel, that's quite amazing. And I think some people will recognize the location, which you should stay till the end of the video because I told you giveaway with Eminem show in Abu Dhabi. Yeah. Anyway, so this is the picture. So just a little information about the iPhone. You can take a handheld and the phone will recognize that you holding the phone with your hand, up to 2 to 3 seconds of shutter speed. And if you put it on a tripod, it can recognize it and it can go up to 10 seconds, which you can imagine the quality and the image that you can get. And now about the giveaway. The giveaway is the Eminem show in Abu Dhabi, Friday 25th October 2019, which I want to give it to you. What you have to do is simple. You have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, unboxmuse. You have to follow us on Instagram and go on Twitter and retweet the giveaway about Eminem and just comment down below that you did it and you want so much to win the place. But I cannot afford to bring you from any country to Abu Dhabi. So if you can afford it, I'm ready to offer you the place, the ticket. And if you're living in Abu Dhabi, well, just comment, share and follow and subscribe and you get the tickets. So let's get it very fast because it's 25th of October, Eminem show in Abu Dhabi. That's amazing. Maybe I'll go. Maybe we'll see you. Maybe we'll do an unboxing. I don't know. Well, I need some energy. Oh, that's quite nice. The longest Red Bull. Well, see you next week, next episode, next video. I don't know. We'll see you next. Peace.